Today we're going to open the differential we took out, and if you watch the videos, previous video, I did that yesterday, and this is the differential, right? There you go. And I need to open, let it bleed, and I hope it opens smooth because everything's kind of corroded. So I gotta open it, and I'll take to Chaz. I met him drifting, and he's gonna weld it for me up here. Let's see if this will hold the weight. Apparently will. Alright, so let's do it. We need a 5/8 or 16 millimeters, and let's see what happens. Alright, one down. They're very short. And be very gentle. So this car came from Seattle because of the weather. The salt, actually, not the weather. There you go. Oh, wow. Wow, it looks great. So, let me do this here. Put a little zoom. So when this turns, yeah, this is the thing. So I guess it's gonna weld this part inside. This is an open diff. When you have two wheels and you have one wheel that is in trouble, right? So it's stuck. The other wheel, this is the one stuck. See, I'm holding that. The other wheel spins freely, and this one doesn't do anything. When you have a LDS or LSD, this is a limited sleep differential. When you do this one spins a little bit too, so it gets out of there. And that's pretty much it. Let it drain. Alright, ready to roll. It's clean and looks great inside. I guess we just need to, let me turn on the camera the other side, actually flip the camera. Look at that beauty. That's odd. There you go. So this is how an open differential looks like. Apparently there's no gasket. Don't understand how. How does that thing just torque? Maybe I use some yeah, not sure. Alright, I got it back. My hair looks crazy. It's freaking cold outside. And let's see how it looks. Alright, so I put it here so we can. I'm taking this screw. Sorry, I'm holding my phone. And take some of the oil. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, man. That is awesome. So, he told me to throw some brake cleaner and clean some metal that could be there. That's what I'm gonna do now. Oh, nice. It's raining now. So, here I need to be able to do like this. Okay, so that didn't work. So I got my engine hoist, put this thing underneath, and I'm going to carefully lift it up. Okay, so the idea is only to direct the cleaner in here somewhere, and inside, to be honest. I mean, I'm just doing this because, okay, so let's do it. So there you go, it's moving. Yeah, much better. So that part was, oh yeah, now it's free. I was there because camera was pointing that way. There you go. Yeah, there you go. That's what I like to see, baby. Okay, so next steps, I need to put RTV in here and close this. So there's one catch. I have this bolt here, which I do not have this tool. And I'm not feeling like buying this tool because I never need it, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna ever need it. And I don't want to go to store again. So I want to put oil all the way to here, and then put the RTV, and then shut the lid and tie everything up. When I took it out, it had oil in it, right? So I can put oil and then put in the car. It's just going to be a little bit heavier. Yeah, I'll definitely do it. Let's see what happens. We're gonna use this alcohol 70% isopropyl alcohol. You can use carpet cleaner. I used a lot yesterday, so I don't have any more. So I'm just gonna use this to be sure that this is clean. So I was cleaning this other part here, and what I'm gonna do is I'll fill this up with oil, then I'll poke a hole in here. I actually just did. This is a ultra gray gasket maker. This is for maximum torque. That's what I'm using on my engine, and for the Mitsubishi Eclipse. So I'm gonna use this here, and I'm gonna let it dry for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna set this on top 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna squish it and put all these screws. So let's put the oil. This is what I'm using. Everything I'm using will be on the link on the description down here or down here. And anyway, I told you yesterday why I'm putting this oil here, and the only reason is because I don't have that tool to take the screw out, but I think this is good anyway. I mean, I don't see the reason why this would be bad, as long as I don't drip oil in places that I just cleaned. I think we're good to go. So one down. Alright, so now the second one. So basically, just so we get the right amount, this goes in here like this, okay, and this is the plug. So when this goes down, all this line here won't have oil right here, right? So if you look at this, this is a good amount of the differential that doesn't have oil. So I guess I need to put oil not all the way to the top, but a little more. There's a mark down there. I wonder if that mark is if I flip the differential, would that be so if you touch it, you see that still tacky, but it got a little hard. So let's do it. Nope. All right. It's like this. So is the hole here in the gear here. So I'm gonna try to put it straight as I can and not move. So I'm gonna put this there, squeeze it a little bit, and wait for a few more. All right, so you see here, some of this is coming out, coming off, coming out, and I'm just cleaning. I don't think it matters at all. And you just need to be sure the holes are aligned, but I have some of that cream in there. So align it. This is going to dry a little, and then I'm going to squeeze it. This is going to guarantee, I guess, that if you squeeze too much, you might have places where you don't have the gasket. This way you have the gasket everywhere. The one I took off, that I took out of there, it was very, very thin and was breaking, so I'm pretty sure it was RTV. It was even, right? So I guess that's why he asked me to wait a few minutes. Okay, so I'm just finger tightening, not even a lot. Finger tight there, finger tight here. There are two more. Not, this screw is good. Alright, so all the minutes are passed. I'm gonna torque a little bit here. A little bit here. Tool. Alright, so apparently that's it. I'm gonna hold it in my knees. I guess I can. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I torqued already. I cannot tilt it until that thing is dry, and it says 24 hours. I do not have 24 hours because 24 hours tomorrow I gotta be there, and it's impossible to put this in there tomorrow morning because I'm not sure if I'll be able to. Ideally I should bought it to open that braking screw, and so I could put in the car and then just put the oil tomorrow and I would be good to go. Well, I didn't do it. So I'm thinking now, will that work? watch the next video. Probably I'll be drifting. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you can, and subscribe to my channel. There's much more to come. And also, everything I use, everything I've been using, I'm putting links down here. They're mostly Amazon links, but you know, you can get whatever you want. And that's it. Watch my YouTube and check out my website, www.carmodsgarage.com. Later.